What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the chat. You got something that I had to stop because I see all the wheels got the right rubber. Little man is asking me if we're going somewhere. I'm like, listen, I don't think I want to go because the rubber of this car is looking sick. Guys, I'm just gonna put it right here and Matt's gonna tell you what the word is. Matt, talk to me about this bad boy, because this again is a lot of nice cars in here, but this will give anybody, I mean, I don't even know what to say. I think it will give anybody the run for its money, and basically we can leave it at that. Talk to me about this.
So this car is a 2003 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution. I started off, I bought this car as a shell. I knew I wanted to make it a full-blown race car, so we started with a shell. And I have a very good friend who owns a shop around here. It's called Nick Built LLC, and I went to him with a vision, and between me and him we turned it into a reality. Nice. The car sponsors. The car has a fully built 2.0 liter aluminum rod billet crank. It has white scope pistons, GSC S3 billet cams, dual valve springs retainers. It has an AMS intake manifold, nice throttle body. It has a forward-facing turbo kit with a Precision 6766 on it. We put the Evo 9 front bumper on it because in my opinion it's the best looking one it has. And it's just a full-blown drag car.
Nice.
It has the 15-inch conversion with the 26-inch Hoosier slicks. And of course you gotta stop, so we put the parachute around back.
Oh my God, guys, and I gotta get these sides. He got the Hoosier tires on them. And let me tell you something. This car, how it's standing in this grass right now, this car looks evil. It's just standing, it's not doing nothing else, but it looks bad. So I told Matt, I'm like, listen, man, I don't know if you're leaving yet, but I gotta stop and we gotta talk. He's like, about what? I'm like, bro, we gotta talk. We definitely gotta talk. Yeah, this car looks sick, man. This car looks sick. I know you be in the nightlife. I know you be out there. Yeah. I don't want to ask you specifics, but how much are you think you're doing in this car? Just give me a light number.
So I'll tell you honestly, the car is north of 30 pounds of boost, but we tune it on the street because that's the way we take it. There's no point to be a dyno queen. The street's where it's at. If you want to find out, the lanes are always open.
Oh my Lord Jesus. Oh my God, I don't know if I want to pose this. And talk to me about this interior. What have you done to the interior?
So it's still a full interior car. We put a Kirky seat in it for safety with the harnesses. It's got a quick release steering wheel. Your gauges are in it. Other than that, it's full interior. Still got a radio. Still got a baby seat in the back for my little man.
AC?
No AC because we did the forward facing.
Okay, I'm like, man, if you had AC, you killing them slowly.
But it's got full heat for the winter.
Full heat.
And that's
guys, with a baby chair, full interior. Do not get it twisted. And please, don't think you got it. Yeah, you can hit this man up, but again, that's up to you if you want to lose your money. Talk to me about what else. So I see you, oof. And look at this carbon fiber. Let me get this carbon fiber, guys. This is not black. Do not get it mistaken. This is not black. And of course, that's how he lets you know that the game is real. So what else you got planned for the future, Matt?
For now, just enjoy it. It was gonna be a full-blown drag car. It was gonna have a cage in it, but my son loves the car too much, so we're keeping this one a street car.
Okay, and you told me that you had a few other builds before this.
Yeah, before this, I started off in the Honda world. You know, I had an EK Coupe, an EK Hatch, both of them B-Series turbos. And then from there, I stepped into some Subarus. I had two 04, 05s, and that was fully built. Those would make like 500 horsepower, and just had no luck with them. Every time we finished it, somebody wound up hitting it, crashing into it, and the bad juju stuck, so we switched the platforms. We went over to the Evo, and we never looked back since.
Oh my God, and yeah, I mean, this car is one of my favorites. Again, I've always been an Evo lover, and again, we have to stop by because when I saw the Evo again, and of course it had to be on gray. Once you see this car on gray, you know it's mean business, so don't get too close to it. And yeah, we definitely appreciate your time. And tell me, what's that little game you be playing inside the car with people? Talk to me about this.
So back in the day, people never thought it was really all that quick. So we would tape $100 to the dash, and if we launched the car, if you could grab it, you could keep it.
$100 to the dash, and when you launch the car, if you could grab the $100, you could keep it.
Yep.
Man, I would have been up for that challenge.
Boy lost a $100 bill one time.
Only one time.
That's it.
Since how many times? I can imagine a lot of times.
Probably 30 plus times.
Woo! My God, guys, you already know it is not a joke. Man, we appreciate your time, and the car is a thing to be seen and to be driven, and definitely it's a daily owned supercar. And guys, yes, he drove this here. There's no trucks around here. He drove this here. That's how you know it's real.
Fully registered, insured. Take it on the street, put little man in it, take him to school.
Oh man, that's how you know it's real. Man, I appreciate your time. Thank you much.
Thank you, man. Have a good one.